Hey there, how are you all? I hope you are safe at home. So, are you studying at home or not? Yeah, very good. So, today I am with a new lesson, that is fifth lesson, the happy field. T-H-E the H-A-P-P-Y happy F-I-E-L-D field. So, children, what do you mean by field? Here, field is nothing but piece of ground in this way, okay? So, which is used to grow the foods. And it is usually have a fence is nothing but it is made up of a wooden, and mostly these farmers will be using this fence. Okay, so here look at this field and draw some animals and birds that you can see in a field. So this is your homework, and what you have to do here is you have to draw the animals and some birds which you see mostly in the field. Okay, it may be a cow, birds, parrot, in this way. Okay, so this is the hint I have given you. So draw it neatly with the pencil itself. Okay, so now let us see the lesson. ONCE, once, UPON, upon, once upon a time, 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 once upon a time, THERE, there, WAS, was, a FIELD, field, there was a field, HEHWAS, was, FLAT, flat, he was flat, and COVERED, covered, WITH, with, GREEN, green, GRASS, grass, he was flat and covered with green grass. So what happened once upon a time? It was a field. See, as you can see here, there is a field, and it was very flat. Flat is nothing but plain, straight field will be there, and it covered with some grass. As you can see in a picture, there are some grass. And ONLY, only, THE the, COWS, cows, THOUGHT, thought, HIS, his, GRASS, grass, WAS, was, DELICIOUS, delicious, only the cows thought his grass was delicious. Here delicious is nothing but tasty and enjoyable. So who thought? Yes, only the cows thought that his grass was tasty. AFTER, after, SOMETIME, sometime, after some time, he, got, TIRED, tired, of, BEING, being, PLAIN, plain, and DULL, dull, after some time he got tired of being plain and dull. Here plain is nothing but simple and bare without anything growing in it. As you can see here, it is very plain, nothing is grown here. And dull is nothing but not interesting, boring. So who is feeling bored here? Field. Yes, very good. So WHAT, what, am I, GOING, going, TO2 do, what am I going to do? Am so plain, PLAIN, plain. The field is saying HEHSOBBED, sobbed. Here sobbed is nothing but cried noisily. The field started crying that what am I do here? I am so plain. And finally, 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 HEHDECIDED, decided, TO2 grow, a HUMP, hump. Then finally he decided to grow a hump. Here hump is nothing but round raised part of the ground. Okay, so just a ground part he started to raise. Then so he pushed, 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 and SHOVED, shoved. So he pushed and he shoved. Shoved is nothing but pushing in a rough way. And HEHPUSHED, pushed, and SHOVED, shoved, TILL, till, HEHGREW, grew, a BEAUTIFUL, beautiful, LITTLE, little, HUMP, hump. Then what happened here? Then the field started moving here and there and pushing in a rough way till he grew a little hump. Hump is nothing but in this way, small beautiful pool, like a swimming pool it is. Okay. Then but, beauty but, as double o n, soon, as a hump, hump. But as soon as a hump came, CAME came, UP up, IN in, ONE1, PART part. As soon as a hump came up in one part, a hollow appeared in another part. HOLLOW, hollow. Here hollow is nothing but empty hole. Here the empty hole appeared in the other part. Then, why was the flat field sad? Can you say, children, why was the field sad? Yes, because he is so plain and nothing is there to grow here. So that's why he is sad. Just, J-U-S-T, just, T-H-E, and then a cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud, said, S-A-I-D, said, oh, look, a hollow, H-O-L-L-O-W, hollow. Just then a cloud said, oh, look, a hollow. And P-O-U-R-E-D, poured, R-A-I-N, rain, I-N-T-O, into, T-H-E, the H-O-L-L-O-W, hollow. And poured is nothing but made water flow into the hollow. Previously it was just empty hole. Then afterwards the cloud said, see, the rain is following in the hollow. The rain started to fall and it was filled. T-H-E, the H-O-L-L-O-W, the hollow, became, B-E-C-A-M-E, became a lake, L-A-K-E, lake, A-N-D, and V-E-R-Y, very, Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly, D-U-C-K-S, ducks, A-N-D, and G-E-E-S-E, geese, L-A-N-D-E-D, landed, I-N, in, T-H-E, the W-A-T-E-R, water. Then what happens? The hollow became a lake, as you can see here, and there are ducks, geese landed in the water. Splash. They made a sound, splash. When someone or something falls into water, the splash sound comes. Okay. So what was the cloud carrying here? Yes, very good. The cloud is carrying the rain. So well, till here we will stop, children. Page number is 54. Okay. So you have to just go through the reading practice well, okay, and you have to do this homework part. You have to draw the animals with a pencil. Well, that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.